In this episode, we will learn how to say I'm looking forward to it in Chinese, which is 我很期待,我很期待. How to keep it in your mind easily? Here's my solution for you. Imagine one of your friends is a very talented musician, and one day she came up to you and invite you to attend her coming show on this Friday evening. And you accepted, and at the end of your talk, you told her, I'm looking forward to it, in Chinese, which is 我很期待. The English name at the bottom just help you to pronounce the Chinese character correctly, while the figure above it help you to memorize the pronunciation easily. So from left to right, it is 我很期待,我很期待. Hope you enjoy. Thank you.